My dear students, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty of Allah, and I am also well. In the last class, I discussed about some rules and structures of simple, complex, and compound sentence. Today, I discuss another rules. So I have to back to whiteboard. Complex to simple. Since he saw me, he called to me. The sentence is complex sentence. Here we find a subordinate clause. Since he saw me and he called to me. This is the principal clause. In the last class, I discussed about what the subordinate clause is and what the principal clause is. But today, I also tell you that this is the subordinate clause, because this clause cannot express the meaning without helping of the principal clause. Since he saw me, this clause cannot express the full meaning of the sentence. So it must depend on the second clause, principal clause, he called me. If the complex sentence begins the subordinate clause connected with subordinate conjunction since as when. Since as when. The subordinate conjunction since as when. In that sentence, we have to find out the subject he, and here also he. Here we find the two clauses and two subject, he and he. If the subject of the two clauses are same, then in simple sentence, if we want to turn into simple form, we have to add ing with the verb saw, present form, sing. Sing me, he called me. Again I say, if the complex sentence begins the subordinate clause, and first we find the subordinate conjunction since, that means since as when. If the complex sentence connected with since as when, and we find the subjects of the two clauses, the subjects of the subordinate clause and the subject of the principal clause are the same, then we have to add ing with the verb of the first clause. We have to add ing to the verb of the first clause, and ing must be added with the present form of the verb. Here saw, the past form of the verb see, the base form see, saw, seen. But here we have to add ing to the verb with the present form saw, see. Seeing me, he called me. If the subjects of the two clauses are the same, only then we have to add ing. We have to add ing to the verb of the first clause with the present form. Seeing me called me. Another example, my dear students, as he went there, he got it. Here the subject he. In the first clause we find the subject he. In the second clause of the principal clause we find the subject he. So the two subject is the same. If the subjects of the two clauses are the same in a complex sentence which is connected with since, as, or when, we have to add ing to the verb of the first clause. That means the sentence begins with verb plus ing. The sentence begins a simple sentence. If we want to turn the sentence into simple form, the sentence begins with verb plus ing. Here went, the past form of the verb go. So we have to ing with the verb go, going. Going there, he got it. Going there, he got it. In this sentence, I again tell you that here the subject he and here the subject he. These two subjects are the same. Since, as, or when connected to complex sentence, if the subjects of the two clauses are the same, if we want to transform the complex sentence into simple, in simple sentence we have to add ing to the verb of the first clause. In the first clause the verb went. Here we have to add ing to the verb, to the present form of the verb went. Go, went. The present form of the went, go. So we have to add ing, going. There he got it. If this complex sentence is made into compound, it is very easy for you. We know in complex sentence there are two clauses. We saw first subordinate clause and the principal clause. We edit with subordinate conjunction. If the sentence ends as or when connected to the complex sentence, we have to add a connector to connect the two clauses in a compound sentence. For example, if we want to, my dear students, if you want to make it compound sentence, he saw me is the principal clause. Here we find a comma, and we add a connector and. We know and, but, or connected sentence is the compound sentence. He saw me and he called me. This is the principal clause. He saw me and he called me. It is also the principal clause. In compound sentence we find two or more principal clauses are connected with the connector and, but, or. In the complex sentence we find in the middle comma, punctuation mark, comma. But in the compound sentence you will not find this punctuation mark. And in this punctuation mark, you have to use connector and, but, or. Another types of sentence. As he went there, he got it. If we want to make it in the compound form, it is very easy. He went there. Here we find a comma, but we cannot use it. We have to put the connector and he got it. Today I discuss complex or simple and compound sentence. Lastly, I tell you that if you want to complex sentence into simple sentence, connect it with as, since, when. If the subjects of the subject clause and the principal clause are the same, you have to add ing to the verb of the first clause with the present form. That means the simple sentence begins with verb plus ing if the subjects of the two clauses are the same. Again, if you want to make complex sentence into compound sentence, you have to use connector in the middle of the two clauses. You know, compound sentence is the sentence which connected with some connectors and, but, or, yet, therefore, still, etc., etc. There are, in compound sentence, two or more clauses are connected with these connectors and, but, or, therefore, yet, still. In this compound sentence, he saw me and he called me. Here we find the connector and. Here, as he went there, he got it. Here we find the connector and. He went there. This is the principal clause. He got it. This is the principal clause. These two principal clauses are connected with the connector and. Here we find a clause. He saw me, the principal clause, and we find he called me. He called me. It is a principal clause. It is also a principal clause. Here we also find there are two principal clauses connected with the what and. This is the compound sentence. I hope you will see the video and you must understand and try to understand it. If you want to understand it clearly, please watch this video more and more.